Never mind. I'm sorry.
Tommy Dimes, I'm here for your birthday!
Yep. Yep. Can I die in here? If I can die in here, that's very silly.
That would be very fucked. It's not a safe room if you can die in there.
So true. Be great if that goes through a knife that flew past your face to let you know she's near. Like a cutscene. Oh, that is great. Okay.
Oh, the door opened.
I was pressing R, E, D, and F. I was not moving. Okay, here we go. Yeah, it looks like this is open now. Wait. Guess not. So, Focus told me to go up here. I wonder if there's any reason why.
It will reset your sanity and stuff.
Oh, dude, okay. Thank you. Oh, I still have a candle, too. I have no idea where to go right now. I shouldn't waste this.
Not gonna lie, I was distracted by shadows. So what's the last thing that you did?
So I went and I put the Greed videotape in. I watched it. I saw a vent and a bunch of half-naked demons. And now I went up here.
Okay.
That's not a safe room.
What the fuck? She killed you in the safe room?
Yeah. Can I die in here? If I can die in here, that's very silly. Back tour. It's called a progress room, not a safe room. Good point. And that's an unfortunate good point. Oh.
I'm eating M&Ms, so I hope I don't choke.
Nice, brother. If you do, at least you're dying happy. Not really. I wouldn't be happy if I died choking on M&Ms. But it'll be sweet. In a tasty way. Alright, well now I don't have to be afraid, guys. I just have to go to the good old bathroom. And I mean, hey, that's just over here. Looking for this bullshit. I'm gonna get into the bathroom. Because it is dark and spooky in here. But I mean, I didn't think to actually hang out inside. Oh, I have to look in this mirror. I have to take a picture of something in here. I know exactly where it goes. Okay. Quick saving. Okay. Okay. I'm starting to remember. This demon kills me while going here. I'm going to be very upset. Looking for the garage key. It's probably in your jean pocket. The laundry room is always thinking, oh my god. So we have to go to the garage key. Okay, we need to go back into the laundry room. Oh my god, my sanity's fucked. My sanity's fucked. My sanity's fucked. I'm going to the TV. My sanity's fucked. Just like by the TV. I'm going to take pills. I'm going to quick save. I'm going to take pills. I'm going to quick save. It's quick save and then I'm going to take pills. Okay, alright, 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 alright. There we go. Okay, I'm sure that's helpful. Alright. In hand again. Alright, and laundry room is over here. Oh my god. Here it is. Okay, okay. Well, there's nearly empty. You're nearly empty. Nope.
Yeah, got him.
No, I didn't want to do that. Guys, I can't see shit. I actually can't see shit right now. This is the worst. This is actually the worst. Okay, what the fuck, dude? Sick. Useless now? Yeah, you can tell me that again. Where's my... I have nothing. I have nothing. What do I do? I can't see shit. I can't fucking see anything. Am I just gonna die? Are you... Ah! What the fuck? Fuck this game. I actually can't see. Am I just dead? Looking towards the light. Focus, did I pick up the key? Yeah, we're being haunted, which means I have to go this way. I think I'm just dead because of my lighter, but... Oh my god. Lighter, lighter. No one in the call is talking to me. Why are we even in a call? Guys?
I'm trying not to give background noise with my M&Ms.
That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah. Jeez, Tommy.
Guys,
No,
gonna
I
need a
have to try.
little bit of
Do right
context
by you.
here. Am I just hooped? Or what?
Yeah, you're gonna have bad time right now.
Yeah.
I thought you'd already got the key, but
Can I light this candle with this? No. Okay. Wait, like, what am I gonna do now? Well, we carry pills in one and the camera in the other, I guess, guys. Okay, we're gonna do this. Have to use camera as a light source now. Oh, good. I can't wait for that mountain. That's very progress for me. What's this? Who cares? Alright, so now I gotta get to the basement. I'm going to be taking quite a lot of pills. Fuck me. I'm gonna take some as I go down. Here we go. Wait. This isn't where I want to be, is it? Okay, I'm gonna need some help getting to the mannequin room. Is it over here? I don't know. I have the electric room key. I have it right here. Lighter? Lighter? Oh my god! Quick save. Lighter? Lighter.
GG's.
Lighter. Okay.
you're doing great.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Drop.
Oh my god, it's 12.
Lighter.
I love the floating pill bottle.
Oh my god. Oh my god, there's so much shit in here. We got 2 lighters. 3 lighters?!
Holy shit.
Oh
That's a
my
lot of lighters.
god, it's lit!
Ah! I hate you for that, Tommy. I hated that. It's awful.
Oh my god, click it all on. Are you kidding me?
Read the rules. Read the guide.
What guide?
No, just the sticky notes.
Oh, I see. Kitchen. Oh my god. Guys, we just found like 3 lighters. That's so sick. And I did quick save. I'm gonna quick save now. There we go. Yo, I didn't know that's where the electric room was. We found that completely by accident. What room's this? Nothing indicates what unlocks it. Okay. Well, I know when I hear that noise that I have to keep moving.
Okay, so when I was going through this, that corner you just took right there, I had like deja vu, because I walked around that corner to go put this on the mannequin, and it was right around the corner and fucking got my ass right there.
Oh my god.
I screamed so
Oh my
loud.
god. Dude, yeah, I was gonna say that definitely was not there before, was it? Ah!
Motherfucker.
Right when it flickered too, but I fortunately went the wrong way! Okay. Yeah, whatever. Oh, well, don't you sound super prog. Who am I, guys? Don't worry, I know where I'm going back to. I just want a chance to take pills. I don't need the camera out right now, do I? It does help me see, though. Okay, now, listen. Thank you, Anonymous, for 50 bits!
Fuck that babyface motherfucker.
Yeah, not a fan. Honestly, not a big fan. Thank you, Anonymous, so much for the bits. Guys, okay, we are at an aggressive ghosty part right now. Chose the wrong way to go again. Yeah, mountain. Last time it killed me on the other end. I thought I was doing something right.
It was definitely a Revenant.
Oh, yeah. Oh, so I've put the... So do you think I go this way now? Am I just looking for mannequin parts? No, I got the garage key, didn't I, Focus? Didn't I, Sarah? Oh my god. Oh my god, it was right there. Oh my god. Where's the garage? I don't remember where the garage is.
It was down the set of stairs behind you.
Set of stairs behind me? Okay. The reason I'm here right now.
Right next to you.
I want to take pills, that's why I'm doing this. More. Okay. Quick saving. Pills over here if I need it. Okay. So sorry, but over here, down the stairs, you said, Sarah? Oh
Yeah,
my
it's
god.
your birthday.
Straight there. Nope, left.
Oh, okay,
Back. Right there. Through that hallway.
through this
And
hallway.
then down this. Never mind. I'm sorry.
Came out of nowhere.
That one didn't even give me warning. Thank you so much, Syntax, for the follow, homie. It's been nice having you here.
I'm sorry, Tommy.
Not your fault, man.
Oh, you're dead.
Do you think I went the right way this time?
Well, you left the door.
Thing growls like a cereal mascot. Jesus Christ.
It's great.
It's Tony the Tiger. I found the storage room. I'm gonna autosave again, but with pills. There we go. Now I won't have to do this. Well, there we go. Now I won't. I'm being attacked. I'm being attacked. I'm being attacked. Okay. Sorry guys for the... Can you fuck off? Ah, come on! You are annoying!
Yeah, this dude's annoying.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. Hey guys, you see how well that quick save works? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Anyone see that Pogger's quick save? How it did nothing and just put me back here? Okay, dickhead. Am I dead again?
Nope.
That looked more like a cutscene than a death cutscene.
Yep.
Oh, I've McFallen. We have 2 lighters still. Got a key, 2 pills, and a candle. We're looking pretty good. With a key item that I can't use here. I want to examine it, though. Cool ass picture frame. Super Pog, let's go! Super Pog gang, we're doing it! F5, quick save. It's disabled! Like 3 or more picks. Yeah, I wish I would have. I wish I guess I would have. I wish I would have just kept seeing that through. Because when I was taking those pictures in the beginning, I'm like, oh, yo, we're doing fine. We're doing fine out here. And then I'm like, oh, nothing's happening. I better run away from the spooky demon. Ugh. Oh, all right. Yo, my boy got the nun going on. I do. The nun of safety. And it's because we're playing spooky games again, Swolecat. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, you guys ready for more? Let's go, Saro. Tier 3, using it. Let's go.
Gotta use all the emotes.
It's true. Is JT still here? Saro and... Oh, wait, was she right there? Am I nuts?
I saw that too.
You saw that too? Because I looked at the chat for a sec when you gifted a sub. Thank you again, brother. It's super nice of you. And then I just thought I might have been going crazy. So, do you think it's okay if I don't go up there then? I think it's okay. Focus, should I go up there? No?
This house is aggressively normal.
Yeah, that's... You know what? Oh my god! Oh my
dude just
god! What the
He
fuck
just
is
shoved his
this?
dick in your face.
Oh my god! Oh my god, this is insane. What is going on? Oh. Okay, I feel gross inside. You guys ever just feel gross inside a little bit? Oh my god. Okay, open it. Open it. If you guys are wondering why I'm doing this, it won't let me light up my lighter. It's locked from the other side? Okay. Sir, this is a Wendy's. Please do not haunt the home. This is a Wendy's home. Okay, my camera just glitched out. No. It seems to be working properly. Sick picture. Okay. Oh, guys.
Clock's about to ding dong.
Yeah, and it's always a good sign when you see Wolverine claw marks along the drywall. This is great.
Yeah. Wonder.
Oh boy, I'm going. No, 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 that's a new sound. Can you fucking get out of here, please? Hey. Aha. Okay. That is a sign to keep on going.
What this dude's noises?
Hi. Okay, are you serious? Oh my god, that fucking freaked me out. Here comes another bullshit train, everybody. Please, Wendy's game, please. Okay, alright, that one was cheeky. That one was cheeky, game devs, alright? That was a cheeky spook, I'll give you that one. Ooh. I mean, I'm just kind of moving forward. I'm just looking at, you know, as we go, I'll check out for any lighters or anything, but I think we're just along for the ride here. Can't use lighters or save or anything. You never look behind you in horror games. True syntax. Unless you're playing Outlast. Then they almost encourage it, and I hate it. Oh, good. This time it's a... Oh, my God. A room full of dressers. F5? I will admit it, though. The house keeps getting strangely more and more interesting as we go along. Yes, I totally agree. It is getting all different, and I like the heavy breathing in my beehole. Can you get out? It's like 80 clicks to open doors in this game. All right. Open! Okay, really? Okay. Hi, little doll. What is this? Ah! Fuck. Are you fucking me? You know what? Fine. What's up? How you doing? Ah! Okay.
I saw a candle thing in the corner.
Did you?
Opposite side of that, yeah, right there.
Ooh, good eye, good eye.
You have to fall down it. It's a hole.
What the fuck?
Ooh, are we gonna go to the vent?
I'm not gonna lie to you, Sarah. I can't believe you saw that.
I think... Oh, that's weird. I think I have better vision than you do.
So it's different. Oh, true, Shade. You're right. This is against the... That's so true. This isn't on top. Well, I guess some of it is. Okay. What's on TV, ma? Cool. Still disabled saving. Oh, this is weird.
Your shadow is fucked.
That's not my shadow.
Take a picture.
Oh, guys.
Shadow creates a shadow.
I guess the only thing is to run after them. But I'm glad you fixed your board, Jay. I'm glad you fixed your board. Shade, let's do it. No need to be scared. And then the let's do it, everyone. Okay. Mariah Carey. Your concert is here. Guys, what a cool room. This is a pretty sweet room. Ah, yes. I am now in the greenhouse of the home.
Nice.
It's pretty cool. W to stand up. Hi, Panda. I can't take pictures anymore. Well, yes, we're going... I guess we're going out into the... This... What?
Well, fuck.
Guessing this leads to somewhere. Still can't light up? Sick. I'm guessing it wants me to go into the dark, weird room, so that's where we're going. Okay. Oh my god, this is weird and weirder and weirder. Down we go. Didn't Elvis have one of those? Probably. I feel like
Hello,
Elvis
Beanie.
had a bunch of weird rooms. Hi, Beanie. How are you? Dinah, that's funny. Hey, bud. Nice dick.
The dude
Alright.
shoving his dick in your face again.
Right, like, I don't want it. I didn't ask for this. Alright. Hello, Beanie. How are you?
Always
Feeling
go
better than yesterday? Let's go, Dinah. I'm glad you're feeling better than I. Yesterday.
See, that girl showed up again. Or whoever that was.
Yeah, I think that one was Lucy. Why can't I light shit up? This is so frustrating. Okay. What was that? It's just lights. I just don't want to die, you know? Love that. Okay. Oh, good. Yeah, that's what I want. Picture of this fucking thing. Okay. I do not know where to go. Mountain, any tips? Is Focus still here?
Nope, he's dead.
Okay, Focus, any tips? I'm just doing things as I find them. That I don't know if I should be doing. But we're doing it anyway. Hello?
Bye.
So long, farewell, Avidas and goodbye.
Ah. Beanie, I'm doing great.
So great.
His jump scare gets less and less spooky each time.
Yeah, which which is good.
It's good, yeah.
Like, that one didn't scare me as much because I guess I'm a little used to him. But at the same time, what am I doing? Like, what is this?
I think you're going through the same place twice. Remember to grab the doll again.
Yeah, the doll was over in this.
Can we numb it? Can we numb it just for